In this video we're going to make our menu work. We're going to, instead of putting hotspots on it, we're actually going to make each of these words a separate button. I'm not saying that there isn't a hotspot feature in SeaMonkey web editor, but I haven't found it yet, so I'm just going to do this little workaround just for the time being. So we can take out blank at the top there, we don't need that cell. You can grab these handles here and just bring that right in till we've got it to about that point there. That should be fine. Okay, so I'm going to take out that menu, just delete. I'm going to put in dog breeds as my heading there. And I'm going to take out content. And then I'm going to insert my menu back in there. So open up either Photoshop or Word or GIMP that you're working on. And what we need to do is to break this one image of menu into 4 parts. So I'm going to use my crop tool to start up here in the top left hand corner and just click and drag until you get about halfway between home and bulldogs there. Try to get it about right. Double click and file, save as, and I'm going to call that home BTN for home button. Just make sure I'm in the right folder, topic 8, my first website, homebutton.jpg, save, and click OK. Now just go Control Alt Z, so we're back to our full image again. Click and drag again, try to get this about right. Double click, file, save as, and now I'm going to call that Bulldogs button. JPEG, sorry, it's in the wrong folder. Yep, that's right. Control Alt Z. Position our crop tool. File, save as, and I'll just call that Foxy underscore BTN. And then finally Shih Tzu, get it about halfway. I'll save as, and I'll just put SHIH. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to insert those one by one into SeaMonkey. So make sure you're in this cell down here, the bottom left. Insert image and make sure in the right folder. So the first one we need is our home button, and just put home for the alternative text and click OK. That's fine. Press enter, insert image. Now we want bulldogs, alternative text bulldogs. Click OK. That's good. Insert image, mini Foxy. Let's put Foxy for the alternative, and then we want Shih Tzu. Let's put SHIH for my alternative text and click OK. So it looks the same. There's actually 4 separate images sitting in there that we can hyperlink in our website. Okay, so I'm going to put something different into here. I'm just going to say welcome to my dog breed site, and I'll try to make that a little bit bigger up there. Stretch that out a little bit. Yep. Okay, so I put other material in here, more text and more images, but for the time being I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, now linking our pages. So at the moment I have an index page. This is my index page, and we're going to press Control S just to save it. And now I need to make sure that my buttons are going to the right place. So I click on the home button, and then I go to link, and that's going to be index.html. And click OK. Oh, done that wrong. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so it's index.html. Click OK. Bulldogs. Insert link, and that will be bulldogs.html. Click OK. So I've done it for Bulldogs and home. Mini Foxy, insert link. So I'll just put in Foxy, Foxie.html. Click OK. For some reason it does this, so I'm just going to delete that. Insert the image again, which is Foxy. Foxy here. Click OK. And now try to put that link in. Insert link, Foxie.html. Click OK. And then should see the same process. Insert link, shih.html. Click OK. A bit of an error. Delete. Insert image. Want that one. And then we'll just insert the hyperlink. So shih.html. Click OK. Okay, so the links are in. Control S to save again. So what we need to do now is to create 3 more pages. This is our index page, as it says up here. We need to create a Bulldogs page, a Mini Foxy page, and a Shih Tzu page to go with this one page, so that they're all linked together. But it must be the same template. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to copy this. Just copy that.
So the separate page for ICT we are going to use next time.
And paste. Stretch it out a little bit. And change that heading there to Bulldogs. And now I go File, Save As, Bulldogs, and replace it. Next, I want to do Mini Foxies. Make that a capital F. Delete this part out. I'm going to take my Mini Foxies, just go from there up, Control X, Control V, File, says Foxies. I think I had Foxy for my link. and then I want to do my Shitsu. Control X. Delete this information out. File, save as,
Thank you.
and she. So that should be linked. So basically all the links here we've kept in our template. So they should all go to the right places. We've changed the content here. So that should be all right to go. Let's have a look and see if it works now. So let's go back to our folder. And I'm going to go to my index page and open that with Chrome. So refresh it. Didn't save those. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, it might take a little bit of manipulation with your SeaMonkey editor, but you should be able to get all of the pages to have the menu, and you might have to adjust the dimensions a bit with the page, but you should be able to get it so you get your home page. Bulldogs will go here, Mini Foxies, and then Shih Tzu, and you should be able to just go back through. There's still a little bit of movement with this menu which I don't like, so I'd have to tidy that up. But basically what you're going to do is to go back in and open up your page. So it could be the Foxies page, I think that was it. And you might have to just adjust this level here a bit to make sure there's not a lot of movement with the menu there. So this should sit at the same height from page to page, but it's working and I'm reasonably happy with it, but it just has to have some refinements. So see how you go with that. If you have trouble, email me, contact me in the comments, but that should give you a working website.